asking me what I got on. They be like, hey, Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Alright, what it do, YouTube? What's going on with it? Y'all see, I got it uncovered. Done my painting, like I said, from the last time. And I'm about ready to go ahead and start making some moves. What I plan on doing, though, right now, well, at least for today, you know, I need to separate this engine and transmission. And I want to put my other oil pan on. And I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna put them both in together when I get ready to slide them on in. But I wanna change the rear main seal, you know, before I stick this all up in that bin, because I would hate to have to pull the transmission back out or remove it just because the damn rear main seal is leaking. You know, I mean, trust me, y'all. I mean, it's a pain in the ass to even go, just to change that seal in the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and alleviate that while it's out. But my main goal is to at least take this get this old truck pan off, get my other one on. That's my main goal for the day, at least. I got other things I gotta do today, but I'm gonna I guess when I come back, I'll let y'all know where I'm at. I think this is what I'm gonna do. I really don't want to check it out. Wow. This shit. Oh. Yeah, I got the shirt up here to protect my little paint job. Alright. Yeah, this should be high enough, y'all. Alright, take them two bottoms out too. Okay. Drop the starter. No biggie. Damn spiders. These damn jumping spiders. Open. Yeah. Alright, y'all, let me go find me some, go get a drain pan. Yeah, let me find a drain pan. I gotta get the oil out of here. Y'all, I got the oil pan marked up on there. Yeah, it looks good, y'all. It looks good, I must say. hella shorter too, which is cool. I didn't even have to cut none of the window tray like on the other style. So yeah, who knows? I may look up and be able to use an old dipstick, but if not, I ain't tripping. I just ordered the braided line one. But I gotta go to the parts store. I don't have no more silicone, so I can put the pan on. I mean, it ain't like you need much. You just need like 4 dabs, at each corner where it separates at. So I'm gonna go get that stuff after I eat something. Eat some of that good old Whataburger. Yes, sir. But yeah, I get through eating. Make me a trip to the old AutoZone, and I'll be back on. All right, y'all. I got it buttoned up. So you can see there, gasket's on now. I use this right here, the Ultra Black gasket, make it, it's oil resistant. So, like I said, you just need like just a little dab on each corner, where the 2 metals separate. That's it. You don't need no more than that. Other than that shit, your gasket won't work and it'll leak. But I've noticed something. This oil pan right here, it has a bolt hole right here, but this block right here, there's no hole for it, I mean, I could drill it out or whatnot, but to be honest, I'm not sure about that. I have to do some research on it and check and see. But, I mean, I got the tools to do it, to drill and tap it. That's no big thing. My thing is, I just want to make sure that there's not no kind of oil, galley, or passage, or anything like that in that nature. Yeah, I need to clean my heads up, get all that blue paint off, get the rest of it off. That way they can be looking all nice and spick and span and all that good crap, whatever. But I ain't worried about that right now. Now what I'm gonna do is put my engine mount plates on, and that's probably gonna be it, for this video. Got these MSX plates. Come with this thing too. I bought this for that setup for the block out for the for the intake. Since I'm still only using the truck intake right now, I'll get the other intake later. But for right now, I'm gonna use the truck one. Passenger side, that one goes over there. Driver side. Nice and solid. Ooh. Know that. And I'm gonna be using thread lock. I'm putting thread lock, this orange on there. Shoot, it's high strength there, and you can still take it off with your hand tools. You don't have to wear it. It ain't like that red. That red, if you use that red Loctite, that's a wrap. Might as well not even try to do anything with it. Just get your torch and cut it off or something. 'Cause that's it. You use that red. The blue's cool too. But shoot, I ain't never tried this orange one. They say it's good, so I'm gonna try it out. Let me see if I can do this one. And then this stuff's supposed to be gel like that way, it won't just fall all off. Let's see.